Hey, check this out.
Kids need to learn this. You know, other family uses this. These are one of those famous lines for excuses. So the word for excuse, ready, Tony, is Razlog.
Razlog?
Razlog. Razlog, but in Croatian it's Razlog.
Razlog.
Yeah.
Cool.
No reason, no excuse. So great. Give me one of your favorite excuses, Tony. Besides the dog ate my homework.
I don't know. I never
I got
have
a new
any
phone.
excuse. Never have any excuse. Oh yeah.
I got a new
It's
phone.
like,
Sorry, I didn't
no
call you
new
back.
phone. Who's this?
Yeah. Why'd you get into a car accident? I was on my phone. Why is your homework late? I forgot.
I got something in my eye.
Right. I'm
Oh,
old.
I can't find my glasses. There's a good one.
Oh, let's see. I don't have glasses. I didn't even think of that one. I'm old. I'm old. I forget.
I'm old.
I'm confused.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know
The
what
word
that
for
one
excuse is Razlog. So we're going to learn 3 excuses and another way to say, I don't really care. The first excuse I hear all the time, I forgot.
Unacceptable.
I forgot. You know, if you're over 40, you can use this one, or under 10, because I forgot I was playing video games. I forgot. So the way to say I forgot for a man, you would say Zaboravio sam.
Zabova.
Yeah. This is a good
Zabo.
one.
Zabumafu.
Zaboravio.
Zaboravio.
Zaboravio sam.
Zaboravio sam.
Right. So you could say Ja sam zaboravio or Zaboravio sam.
Zaboravio sam.
I forgot. A lady, female, would say Zaboravila sam.
Zaboravila sam.
Right. So if you didn't do your homework, I forgot. Zaboravio sam.
Zaboravio sam.
Right. Did you bring the puppets?
Zaboravio sam.
There you go. Zaboravio sam. Okay. Another one of my favorites. Did you wash the dishes? I fell asleep. Doesn't happen too much anymore. The
It's
older
also
I
an
get.
honest answer too.
Yeah, I
It's
fell
an honest.
asleep.
I'll give him credit for.
Did
being
you
honest.
watch the end of the game? I fell asleep.
Yep.
Happens to me a lot. I fell asleep. A male would say Zaspao sam.
Zaspao sam.
Yeah. So spao. So like you see that SPAO. Remember that song we did? Spavai, spavai.
Yeah.
So a little. It's
That's the sleep word
yeah
there.
yeah. Spavai, spavai. Sleep, sleep. Zaspao was like I fell asleep. Zaspao sam.
Zaspao sam.
Okay. A female would say Zaspala sam.
Zaspala sam.
So, but you want to put the accent on the Zaspala sam.
Zaspala sam.
Zaspala sam.
Zaspala sam.
Wonderful. Okay, another one of my favorites. Why didn't you practice piano for half an hour today? Good answer kids always have is I was busy. Kids are always busy.
Yeah.
I've heard that one in other realms as well. Bio sam zauzet.
Biao sam zauzet.
Okay, that's the male way of saying it. So we there's a word in there that we recognize, sam, right? Ya sam. I it's basically say I am. Bio sam is the way you would say I was. So bio sam zauzet. Zauzet is busy.
Bio sam zauzet.
So make sure the Z's are Z sounds. Z like zebra. Both Z's.
Zauzet.
Bio sam zauzet.
Bio sam zauzet.
Bravo. Right? Tony, did you do your homework?
Zaspao sam.
Nice. Okay, female version of I was busy. Bila sam zauzeta.
Bila sam zauzeta.
So you see that the females are going to add a to the end of a lot of their words, right? Sam is the same one in there. Bila sam. I was zauzeta. A female was busy. Bila sam zauzeta.
Bila sam zauzeta.
Okay. Those are there's 3 phrases there, male and female. So now we're going to do one of my favorites. I don't care. I just don't care.
Wait.
Actually, you said these are all your favorites, by the way.
Well, those three are my favorites to hear. This is my favorite. Like
To use?
So this is my response. I don't care if you fell asleep or were busy or forgot.
Should we have put a disclaimer on the beginning of this?
Kind of, right? So this is like a psychology for me today. It's like a therapy session for me, right? So I don't care. I don't care what your excuse is. Did you do your homework? I don't care. I don't care. I just don't care. I didn't forget. I didn't fall asleep. I just don't care. So we're using two ways to say I don't care. Nije me briga.
Nije me briga?
Yeah. A briga is a worry. Doesn't worry me. Nije me briga.
Nije me briga.
Right? So that works for both female and male. Nije me briga.
Nije me briga.
Right. So let's say we're playing cards and you cheated and you won. And it's like, hey, you cheated. Nije me briga. I won. I won. Unfair and square. Right? Great for when you're playing Brishkola. That's another episode we could do. It'd be fun. Another one of my, these are all my favorites, I guess. This is my world here. Ne zanima me.
Ne zanima me.
So ne zanima me means I'm just not interested. It doesn't interest me.
Wow. I also noticed that there's exclamation points at the end of
all
each
of these. No, these aren't subtle. Right. Why were you late? Ne zanima me. I don't care if locusts swarmed your flat-tired car in a storm.
Ne zanima me.
Right. So yeah, Tony, what are you doing? What are you doing later? Ne zanima me. Hey, guess. So if you're about to tell a story that no one wants to hear, hey, Tony, ne zanima me. Okay.
Is that the equivalent of cool story, bro?
No, the Swedes say that's very interesting when they're not really paying attention. Oh, it's really interesting. Yeah. If you go ahead, I'm not paying attention. Ne zanima me, I was like, I just don't care. Please save it. Ne zanima me.
Ne zanima me.
Bravo. Let's review all those. So the word for an excuse, razlog.
Razlog.
All right, so that's a reason or excuse. Razlog.
Razlog.
Okay, let's go with I forgot. The male version of I forgot is Zaboravio sam.
Zaboravio sam.
Super. And the female version, Zaboravila sam.
Zaboravila sam.
Right? So did you wash the dishes? Zaboravila sam.
Zaboravila sam.
It's a good one. It's a tongue twister.
Yeah.
Got it? I fell asleep. Zaspao sam.
Zaspao sam.
Sleep is good for you, so that's kind of semi-understandable. Zaspao sam.
Zaspao sam.
Females will say Zaspala sam.
Zaspala sam.
Bravo. I was busy. Bio sam zauzet.
Bio sam zauzet.
Yeah, so the males say bio sam zauzet.
Bio sam zauzet.
So you could say WC je zauzet. The bathroom is busy. It's occupied.
Busy.
Yeah, I was occupied. I was busy, right? Remember WC, Tony?
Yeah, water closet.
Yeah, nice, very nice. Okay, the female version of I was busy. Bila sam zauzeta.
Bila sam zauzeta.
I was playing video games. Bio sam zauzeta. Bila sam zauzeta for 8 hours playing another video game.
Yeah.
Got it? Okay, and then the one to the reaction to all of these excuses, I don't care. First, I don't care. Nije me briga.
Nije me briga.
Right? Nije me briga.
Nije me briga.
Bravo. And then we have my favorite. This is my favorite, I swear. Ne zanima me.
Ne zanima me. Nima? Ne znam.
Yeah, bravo. Ne zanima me.
Ne zanima me.
Bravo. A lot
of M's in there.
Nima, right? A lot of those fun ones. Ne zanima me.
Ne zanima me.
Okay, excellent.
Don't forget to hit subscribe and smash that like button.